everyone, this is Ria and welcome to the Twins Projects. I know it's been a while.
Parang naya na nga ulit ako magsalita sa camera.
Anyway, since I miss YouTube and I miss sharing DIY videos with you guys, I'm gonna share with you one of my current hobbies this past few months, and that is macrame. Per Google, macrame is the art of knotting using strings or cords to make a pattern. And today we are going to make a macrame vase cover. Don't worry, in order to do that, we only need to use 2 types of knots. So let's not keep you waiting and let's get started. First, of course, you will be needing a glass vase or jar. Funny thing is, I only got this from our lamppost, which was already falling apart, and now I'm reusing its glass jar. The next thing we should have is this 2mm macrame cord. Using the cord, we are going to measure from the neck of the glass jar down to the bottom. And then just do it 5 times. Once that is done, all you have to do is get scissors and cut it. We are going to need 34 cords of this length. Now we need 2 more cords with the length of one of the 34 cords plus the size of the neck of our glass jar. So these 2 longer cords will become our base cords. Wrap the 2 base cords around the neck of our jar and then just make a regular knot. Meantime, we are going to keep it loose because we are going to attach the other cords in it. You can use something to elevate the jar because the cords are too long. Using a lark's head knot, we are going to attach the 34 cords on the base cords. Fold the cord in half and make a loop at the center. And then insert the loop on the base cord. And finally insert the other end of the cords to the loop. No need to tighten it up yet because we are going to adjust all the cords later on. So this is how it looks like when you finally attach all the cords on the base cord. Now it's time to tighten up the regular knot we did on the base cords. Next we have to work on is the square knot. Out of these 4 cords, we are going to use the first one on the left and the last one on the right. Using the first cord, cross it over the cords at the middle and then put the last cord over and under and insert it in the loop and then just pull both of the cords tight. Let's do it on the other side. Cross over the last cord at the cords in the middle, the first cord over and under and insert it in the loop, and then just pull it tight. Let's do it one more from the left and one more from the right. Don't worry, we are going to repeat the square knot over and over in this video. So after doing 4 square knots on this group, we are going to move on to the next group of 4 cords. When you are done making 4 square knots for each group of 4 cords, this is how it will look like. Now we are still going to make square knots using 4 cords, but this time we will get the 2 cords from one group and the other 2 cords from the next group. Here you have to leave an allowance of 1 inch from the last square knot you did. It can be more depending on your preference. We are going to continue making square knots all around until we reach the bottom. Once it's done, grab your scissors and just cut all the excess cords. You can also do this at your home, and if you do, please tag us on our Instagram account at the Tweens Projects. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified on our new DIY videos. It has been a great time. Thank you so much and have a great day.